TSS on a daily basis is a positive environment.
We have a great team here. Everyone's willing to work with you.
When you come into work here every day, you know that the company truly cares about you and you're not just another employee that's never seen.
We design, manufacture, and install bullet-resistant products or bullet-resistant barriers. Anything that's bullet-resistant that needs to stop a bullet and we can figure it out, we'll do it. We've identified what are our three uniques: customer service, customization, and speed. We have to do all three of those consistently to be successful in the marketplace.
We can still make the project very customized. We can do a lot of upfront customer service to make sure we're doing it to the specifications that are needed, and then we're fabricating it in a very expedient time frame. Customer service means that we are very adamant about deeply understanding exactly what the customer's trying to achieve.
And what the customer requests, whether it's a special or a custom, is followed through in every single detail.
The installation was really nice because they did it after hours when nobody was here, got it all installed. It didn't interrupt our office hours. It was just a really smooth process.
Customization means that we will take a look at designing that system and fabricating that system to each specific architectural element that's required on the project.
The speed at which we customize jobs, what we do to get that product out in a much faster timeline.
TSS was good at working with us. As soon as we got the new counter installation installed, TSS got to come in and measure, and then they provided a very quick and responsive turnaround. They did everything they told us they were going to do. They did it when they told us they were going to do it, which in turn meant that what we told our client we were going to do is what happened.
We had one year where we grew significantly, and I thought we were really ready to go as a business, and we didn't do very well. We weren't all on the same page, so we had to make some changes, kind of grow and scale the business, put some structure and infrastructure in the business, and the core values became part of that.
It's not enough just to have a goal, but you have to have a way of how do we get to that goal, and that's where the core values come in.
Exceeding expectations sometimes is meeting what the customer perceives as a regular daily demand. We've had some really crazy requests that come in that are very compressed lead times with lots of engineering challenges, and somehow this team rallies and figures out a way every time to ring the bell and meet the need.
We can only have somebody come through our manufacturing shop so many times and comment about how hard the guys are working or how there's no chit-chatting or small talking. There's always something to do.
Everyone here, whether it's sales, engineering, project management, they all want that final product to come to life.
We're very conscious that we want to build a great company. We want people that enjoy coming to work every day, find fulfillment in what they do, and are challenged here.